to our new video about the cool things for layout. Here is my project for bedroom wall, and I set a couple of scenes: front view, profile, facet, on the close look, and title. In this video I want to show you how can we create a custom template about our technical documentation in layout. I have option 1, model 1, and I will create a new scene with same size but different design. If you are interior designer, sometimes you have to create a couple of design for your clients, and this is the cool stuff for layout, and you can save a lot of time with this template. Here is my model 2. I have almost the same thing, but it's with different titles and different style. I have again front viewport, profile, facet, close look, and title again. Let's put this model to layout. I'll start with a model 1. I'll take the file and send to layout. I take the letter A4, here is my model. And now I will use the layer option to create on every page this shape. And here I'll put the text about information for this model and this design. Take my model from SketchUp, and from scene I'll choose the front viewport, and I put my model on my page. Okay, I create new page here. I have again this box with information, and just copy this model, Control C, change the page, and put here Control V. Now I'm going to resize my model, and I'm going to change my view. From scene I'll choose the profile first. I can a little bit resize this one. It's okay. And now I'm gonna make a copy of this model and I'm going to change the faucet view. Okay, and the last one here, my last scene with title, this project. I'll copy my SketchUp model again. I just hold Control, resize this model. Okay, and now I'm going to change again my scene to title. Perfect. Maybe this is a good place to put some more information about this view. Let's do it. But first, you have to go to check layer menu and put default. And here we can put more information about this view. I'm going to copy this text here, and again I will copy this text here. Okay, what we have now? We have the first page with front view of our project and second page with detail. We can use this page 1 and page 2 like a template for our future projects. You have to create your scene with same name, like this one. In model 1 I have front, profile, faucet and title. In model 2 I have the same name on my scene. This is very important. Okay, now I'm going to save page 1 and page 2 like a template for more future projects. I'm going to File, Save as Template, and I give the name to this template. Model view template. Okay. Now let's open the new file with our new template. I'm going to File, New, and here we can choose the paper size, storyboard, title block, and the last one is my template. I choose this one about model view template. This is my last one model. And now I can change only my scene about uh, without any problem. We can change our scene here. We're going to File, Document Setup, and now in References we see only this scene, Model 1. I select Model 1 and just press the button Relink and select Model 2, and I just press Open. Okay, we have a new model in the same place with our information box and with our details. The text is same, the picture is same, and this is the very cool stuff about layout. If you work to a lot of projects, you can save a lot of time with this template. And thank you for watching.